Guys, today's gonna be a good day and we're gonna finally do it. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. By the title of this video to whatever I title it, today we're gonna drive the Civic because I need gas, and instead of filling it up with a can, I'd rather fill it up at a pump. So first things first, we gotta get the Civic cleaned up a little bit before we take it out because I can't see out the windshields and I don't have the windshield squirters hooked up because the line broke. So let's just start cleaning it up a bit. That's disgusting. I think the next order of business here is to put the front bumper on because Pennsylvania, they don't like when you drive without bumpers or loud exhausts, so we're gonna put the bumper on. I 100% am gonna need some zip ties for that because I don't have any of the hardware for it. Also, this is the first time that the front bumper has been on the car in over a year, and I think that's pretty exciting. I don't have a clue if these guys are dead or not. What the frick? Turns out there's a wasp's nest in the shed back there, and they're very much alive. They're just very cold, so they're not moving much, but I'm not trying to get stung right now. This side bolted up beautifully, and the tab was broken, so I had to duct tape it on here. But hey, if it works, it works, and I'm not gonna complain about it. The struggle of wanting to drive the Civic where I live is I have to move the Golf R all the way down the street just so I can pull the Civic out, which is kind of inconvenient. So I guess the first thing we're gonna do is, now that we dropped off the car, is go bring her out and drive around the block. I wanna drive the car around the block before I drive it anywhere else, just to see if my hesitation problem is going to cause it so it doesn't accelerate at all, because that could be an issue because I've had that issue before. So that's gonna be a good test. Our first test here will be around the block. I don't know where to put my camera right now, but let's put her on the road and see what happens. Just because the Civic is not at home right now, it's gonna be really excited. So let's do a little something. You can definitely tell the tires are a little bit wonky because this one sticks out and it's a lot more cambered than this side. But then again, this tire is also more flat and also has, you know, a spare on it. There's a lot of things that could be contributing to it pulling that much, but I think before I take it to the gas station, that's the next issue I should probably fix, because this one just seems way off. So I might take all that steering stuff apart and check it out. But guys, the Civic, it drove. I got into third gear with it. I don't know how fast I was going because my speedometer doesn't work right now because I don't have a speed sensor. But guys, the Civic drove and I am so excited. It didn't drive well, but it did start driving better once it started getting warmer. So I'm assuming my issue is just the car needs to be warm. And it's so cold out here, so it's hard for the car to get warm. But guys, how freaking dope. Trust the process of the engine swap with me, boys. I think next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the GoPro when I drive it, so it's not all bad angles and stuff. But I'm ecstatic right now that we finally drove the Civic out of my neighborhood. We left. And then also I found another reason. I'm gonna need spacers for my hood because my hood doesn't go all the way down, and it's because the engine's too high. So got to figure that out. But I'm gonna go drive home. So let's go drive home. I have no idea how well this is gonna work sitting in my seat like this, but we got to take the car home. The only way to get home is by driving it home. It's so exciting. I need a cameraman so bad right now. It does hesitate a little bit still, but not nearly as bad as it was before now that it's a little bit warmed up. So I'm very happy about that. Fourth gear! Man, this is absolutely insane right now. I'm driving my engine swap car right now. I don't know what that sound is, I don't like it. So before we get gas, I definitely do need to fix the steering issue. The gas station isn't far, but it's far enough that it kind of does give me some concern. If I kept going down the park where I parked at to take my picture in that little video, it's like right around the corner from there, but it's on a main road. And two, I don't really know how fast the car is going because I don't have a speed sensor. So before we get gas, I need to fix the steering. I need to hopefully have an exhaust by then, and we need to get a new speed sensor cap because the speed sensor should be fine, it just needs a new cap for it. But guys, this is so exciting. Also, we really do need to raise the engine just a little bit, I mean the hood, because I can't latch it down all the way and that's kind of sketchy. If I do get to speed, I'm afraid that it's gonna fail and just fly all the way up and break my windshield. And that's not good. But this was my most requested video by far, so I hope you guys enjoyed me actually driving the Civic and enjoying it for once and not battling it. Yeah, we still have our idle issues, yeah, we're still having other issues, but once I get the steering fixed, the hood fixed, and an exhaust, I have a huge plan for it that hopefully all of our engine issues will go away. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so if you guys please me a few things, comment, like, subscribe, stay motivated, keep doing you. I'm pumped right now. Keep doing you, guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.